Hi, this is Julian Foster on behalf of ConvergeOne Government Solutions, and we'd like to thank you for checking out this overview of zoomphone for Government's simplicity and consistency of experience with Ryan Heath from ConvergeOne Government Solutions and Bobby Hansen from Zoom Communications. So Ryan, take it away.
Thank you for the introduction. I'd like to tell you a little bit about ConvergeOne Government Solutions. ConvergeOne Government Solutions is one of the first federal Zoom phone partner integrators. We have decades of telephony experience, which really help us bring migrations, integrating legacy systems into the new type of platforms. I like how this looks. I mean, it really looks like an iPhone, and it's great that users don't need to install and learn a new app. I had no idea Zoom Phone had SMS. I always have to use my phone for text messaging. Does this also work on smartphones?
Actually, one of the things we can deliver is that consistency of experience. Now you see my iPhone home screen, right? 144 emails, God bless my heart. Hopefully get to take care of that later today. You see my Zoom client in the middle of my iPhone. So if I click on that Zoom client, you're going to see, here's the same home screen, very similar to what I had on my desktop client on the left. Along the bottom, we have Meet, Chat, Meetings and Contacts, just like we had in the desktop client. And then we've also added the phone icon. So if I click on the phone icon, again, along the top, there's my history, my voicemails, my lines, my SMSs, starting with the history. Compare what you see on the right-hand side on my iPhone to what you see on the left-hand side of the screen on my desktop client. The history is all the same. Here's the same voicemails with the same transcriptions. Here's the same line keys that we just saw on my desktop client. Here's the same SMSs that we saw on the desktop client. So it's really all about that consistency of experience between the mobile phone and the desktop phone. Does that make sense?
It does. And in bringing the Zoom phone to the mobile phone, it's really like having a corporate persona and a personal persona on the same device, which is really great. No one wants to carry around two cell phones. I really appreciate your time today in the demo. I want to remind you that C1GS can help you with any of the things we discussed here today. Our contact information is below.